how to set up AI buy and sell indicators on Tradingview with Tradingiq. I'm going to tell you how to set up AI buy and sell indicators on Tradingview using Tradingiq. First, open Tradingview and go to the Indicators tab. Search for Tradingiq AI or a similar AI-based indicator from the public library. Once added to your chart, the indicator will display buy and sell signals, often marked by arrows or labels. These signals are generated based on AI algorithms that analyze multiple technical indicators and market conditions. You can customize the settings by clicking on the Indicators and Settings icon, allowing you to adjust parameters like sensitivity or confidence levels. For more advanced features, you might consider premium indicators or tools that offers enhanced AI capabilities. Remember, while AI indicators can provide valuable insights, it's essential to use them in conjunction with other analysis methods and risk management strategies.